Hi everyone. In today's video, we are going to tackle one of the most important topics in VC for the mathematics. Loan repayment used in financial solver on your cash calculator. This topic comes up every single year in the exam. And once you understand how to set up correctly, it becomes one of the easiest ways to pick up marks. So whether you are just starting this topic or revising for your exam, stick around because at the end of this video, you will know exactly how to solve any loan repayment question that comes your way. Okay, before we jump into the calculator, let's quickly understand what a loan repayment actually is. When you borrow money from bank, say for a car or a house, the bank charges you interest on the top of what you borrowed. You then pay back the loan in regular installments, which we call repayments. First, it pays off some of the interest that has built up. The second, it reduces the amount you still owe, which we call the principal. Over time, as the principal gets smaller, less interest is charged and more of your repayment goes towards paying off your actual loan. This is called the reducing balance loan, and it's exactly what the financial solver on your cash is designed to handle. Now looks at the financial solver and what each value means. Open up your cash calculator and navigate to the financial solver. You will see a screen with these fields. The first one is N. What is N? N is the total number of repayment periods. That means, so if you are making monthly repayment over 5 years, what is it? How do you calculate N? N is 5 times 12. It is 60. The next one is I. This is the annual interest rate. You enter it as a percentage. So, as an example, 6%. 6% we have to enter it as 6. Then the PV. What is PV? PV, this stands for present value. This is the amount you borrowed. The loan amount, actually the loan amount. We enter this as a positive number because you are getting money from the bank. Then the PMT. What is PMT? This is the repayment amount make each period. Because money is leaving from your pocket, we enter this as a negative number. Please keep in mind. Please remember, repayments are negative. Then the FV. This stands for the future value. This is what the loan balance is at the end of a specific period. If the loan balance is fully paid off, FV equals to 0. Then the PPY. What is PPY? Payments per year. If you are making monthly repayments, this is 12. Fortnightly it is 26. Weekly it is 52. CPY. Compounding period per year. In most VC questions, this is same as PPY. So you have to match them. Okay, now let's put this into practice with real exam style questions. Our first question, what is it? Sarah takes out a loan of 25,000 to buy a car. Loan has an interest rate of 6% per annum. Compounding monthly. She wants to repay the loan over 5 years with monthly repayments. Monthly repayments. What is the monthly repayment amount? Alright. Let's set up financial solver. Okay. What is the first one? N, I, PV, PMT, FV, PPY, CPY. Okay, what is N? N is 5 years but monthly. That means 5 times 12, it is 60. What is I? I is the, what is it? Interest. The interest 6% per annum. That means I should be 6. The loan amount, it is 25,000. This is positive. What is the reason? You are getting money from the bank. Okay. Then PMT. What is PMT? PMT is, we have to calculate what the PMT is. Because the loan will be fully paid. That means if fee is equal to 0. PPY, it is 12. Now you have to use the calculator. If you use the calculator, what is it? Yeah, please enter the values to calculator. What is it? The calculator gives us, what is it? It's negative 483.32. This is the answer. Remember, it's negative because it's money going out. So Zara's monthly payment is, what is monthly payment? Monthly payment is $48332. Let's try another one. The second question. The second question says, Michael borrows 40,000 at an interest rate of 7.2 per annum, compounding monthly. He makes monthly repayment of 800. What is the balance of his loan after 3 years? Now we have to think about, N, I, PV, PMT, FV, PPY, CPY. Okay. Now, what is N? Because it's 3 years. 3 years means 3 times 12. It is 36. What is I value? I is 7.2. What is PV? Actually, PV is 40,000 because it's positive. You are getting money. PMT. What is PMT? It is negative 800. What is the reason? Because you have to pay it. We have to calculate FV. PPY is 12. Yeah, now we use the calculator. If you use the calculator, you can calculate FV value is 24,058.13. That means 24,058.13. Okay. What is the meaning of this one? Notice how even after 3 years of $800 payments, that's 28,800 paid, he still owes over $24,000. That's the power of interest. This is exactly why understanding this topic matters in real life too. We'll go to the question number 3. Okay. What is it? Emma has a loan of 15,000 at 5.4% per annum. Compounding monthly, she makes monthly repayment of 350. How many months will it take her to fully repay the loan? This time we have to solve for N. N is unknown. I is 5.4. What is PV? PV is 15,000. What is PMT? It is negative 350 because you have to pay it. FV, you have to fully paid off the loan, that means it should be 0 PPY 12 CPY 12. If you use the cash calculator, your calculator, the finance solver or the calculator which gives N is equal to 50.6. Now here is an important examination tip. Always round N up to the next whole number. N up to the next whole number. You can't make a halfway repayment. So Emma will take 51 months to fully repay her loan. That means what is the answer? Answer is 51. Already we have discussed 3 questions. That's it for today's video. You now know exactly how to set up the financial solver for any loan repayment questions in VC. If this is helpful to you, please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching my video. Good luck with your studies. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.